Sabrina here, and you can probably tell I am not at my usual place. I'm just kind of chilling at my, hopefully that didn't show anything. I'm just chilling at my, brother-in-law's and sister's apartment, and just kind of doing some things. My brother-in-law went back to pick up my sisters, so I'm just kind of chilling here, and I was just like, I haven't done a video today. So yeah, gonna do a video today. You know what? I'm gonna see if this soup shows up. I don't know if you can tell what it is, but this is potato soup. And it's cheesy potato soup, and it's just amazing. It's like amazing beyond belief, and I love it. I will marry this potato soup. But yeah, I'm gonna try a little bit. Oh my god, I wish you could try this with me. It's amazing. So, yeah, that's great. And also now, I'm gonna... Okay, let's... Oh, they're gorgeous, aren't they? They are beautiful. They are absolutely beautiful. They are cheesy biscuits, and they're gonna get some garlic butter on them. Oh, I'm in love with it. And it's garlic, and garlic is amazing no matter what. So yeah, I'm just kind of chilling, watching the stuff and making sure that it doesn't get cold or it doesn't burn. And also watching their cats. Here we go. I'm laying on the floor now. Bad lighting, but I don't care. Because... Hi. What's that? You're adorable. I love you, Juge. This is Juju. She is a sweetheart. She is. Oh, yep. And I have no clue where the other one is. Georgie! Georgie! Hold on. Georgie, where are you at? Usually she comes running. Oh well. Guess you won't see her this time, but you've seen her in past videos that I've done. Well, actually no. Probably not seen me in past videos. I have no idea how to put a video into this one, but if I figure it out, it'll be in the description actually. So yeah. That's about what I'm doing today. So, I guess that's going to be all for right now. That is day 5. Not exactly what I had in mind, but it's on my phone, and I'm not near my computer. Oh, Juju, do you want to help me say goodbye? Juju, come on. Come on, help me say goodbye. Alright. Say bye-bye. I know you hate me. No, you hate my shoes. Yeah, you want them up. She has a foot fetish. I don't appreciate it. But yeah, that's about it. So, goodbye.